What's up, everyone? Welcome to Dude Does Dishes. I'm the dude doing the dishes, but not today. Dishes are done, so you're probably asking yourself, what the heck am I doing here? Why am I watching this dude does dishes when he's not going to do dishes? Well, I got something for you. Something I've never done before. I'm going to repot my succulent. Anyone ever repot a plant? Look at this thing. This is way too huge. You see that? So I'm going to try and repot this because I think this pot's a little bit small. So let's get started. You guys ready? I don't know how much conversation there's going to be in this, but let's repot this succulent. All right. So I got my succulent here. You see, it's grown pretty good. It's really quite in this pot. I don't know what I'm going to do. I also have this terracotta pot that I purchased. It has sufficient drainage in the bottom. From what I was told, that's good. And the terracotta, what do you call this? Flower pot? It's good because it absorbs some of the water. So I also did purchase this bag of small succulent soil. So supposedly what I got to do is fill this up. This is, smells like dirt. Smells like dirt. So I'm supposed to fill up some of this. Put a couple inches in the bottom there, supposedly. Oh, that's nice. That dirt feels really nice. So I think that's enough. I don't know. Is that enough? Could be enough. I'll put a little bit more. Just a little bit more. I know people that do this at home all the time are probably looking at me and cursing at the screen. Now comes the tricky part. This sucker is not in another... Oh, another thing too, you're supposed to bust off the leaves that are dead. So I busted off that leaf. Let's move this out of the way here and see if I can get this out. I don't know how. Like I said, it's in here pretty good. I don't want to damage it. Oh, this is tight. I don't even know if there's a... And I put some parchment paper down. Well, there we go. It's coming out. It's coming out. Oh. There we go. I don't know if I needed to put that much soil in. So I was told, give it a little... Oh, I'm missing some there. I don't want to damage the roots. You don't want to damage the roots. Supposed to just give it a little fluff, as far as I know. I don't know. I'm going to put it in here. And I think that's about the right height. Maybe I need a little bit more. I am just making a mess here. I'm going to dump the rest of this soil in. It's a good thing I put this parchment paper down. So I'm going to put that in. I don't know how I'm supposed to... So I'm supposed to just dump some more of this around just so it's nice. Let's move this over a little bit. Try and get this stable here. I don't think this is really an indoor job. It's falling over. Come on, Adam. Anybody at home cringing yet on what I'm doing? I think I'm getting more dirt on the ground here. I need some soil on this side. And you're not supposed to pack it in because the roots need room to grow. So dump some more in here. I feel like I'm not even getting any in there. You guys are in for a treat because guess what? This guy has got another pot. I got something else to repot here. So I need some more on this side. Now I wonder if I can just take some of that. That's nice. Some of the dead leaves have fallen off. How many of you guys are cringing right now? Right? I can almost hear you guys being like, oh, no, don't do it like that. Look at this guy. I gotta prop this up when I put it in the window. So I need some more on this side. And this is hard to do with one hand. For all you people watching at home, I am just making a mess here. Does it look all right? I don't know. I think that's okay. It's a little dirty there. I don't want to move it too much. Can you see? I don't know. It's not very sturdy, but I think that is good. So I'm going to take that out of the way. And there is one done. Wait till you see the next one. Oh, man. All right. All right, guys. Are you ready for this? I do not have gloves for this. I got my pot. There's my pot. Drainage. Terracotta planter. So it absorbs the water. This one, my parchment paper is all curling up on me. You ready? We're replanting this sucker. Ooh, kind of scared to replant this. Look at that. Now, I don't have gloves. Oh, I'm scared of this one. Let's get that out of the way. Let's get our base down in here. Hopefully that's a good base. So, have any of you ever repotted a cactus? Bare hands? Bare hands? All right, move this over. Let's try and get this sucker out. Ouch, 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 ouch. I got this. I got this, guys. Oh, let's, ouch, 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 ouch. You gotta be careful here. Ouch, ouch, ouch. This one comes right out. Look at, I found a spot. Look at, came right out. Ouch, ouch, ouch. So move this out of the way. Move this over. So I think you're supposed to give it a little fluff. I don't want to damage the roots too much. I saw that. I watched a couple tutorials on this. Yes, I did. It says to fluff it a little bit, but again, I don't want to damage the roots. As you can see probably here, the bottom is not doing too good. Maybe I watered it too much. It also said once you repot it and you fluff these roots, not to water it for a little while. And I haven't watered this in a long time, to be honest, but hopefully this makes it through. Because actually those succulents, the succulents that you just saw, I've had those for a couple years now. That's right. A couple years. All right, I'm putting this, ouch, ouch, ouch. Putting that down. Ouch, 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 ouch. You guys are probably laughing. You're either laughing or you're cringing right now. Like, please tell me I'm not killing this plant. Some, whoa, whoa. Got a lot of dirt there. Let's get some on this side. Luckily, this is not one of those cactus that have like little hairs. I used to have one of those cactus a long time ago. Oh, don't be dripping hair out. There's dirt all over the place. Surely there's an easier way to do this. And you know what? I hope there's no poop in this dirt. No, there better not be poop in. Ow, ow, ow. There better not be poop in this dirt. Although I'm sure there probably is poop in this dirt. Let's pour a little bit more in. I thought I was going to need more soil, but this. Ooh, I tricked myself pretty good there. I just felt it. All right, I think that's it. Straighten this sucker out. Give it a little pat down. Try not to poke myself anymore. It's not very sturdy though. I'm kind of nervous about that. As long as it stays, it's got. Ooh. Well, I got some pricks in my fingers. Ouch. Ow. Maybe I should have wore gloves. What do you think? What do you guys think? Hopefully that's good. I'm going to leave it probably for a few days, and hopefully it's still standing in the morning. So, I'm kind of proud of myself. If these live, I'm going to be so proud. If you guys like this episode, totally different episode, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments below. Let me know how I did. Did I do good? Are these going to live? Are they going to make it? I really hope so, because I love this cactus. I love that succulent that I just replanted. And Dude Does Dishes is out. And I will see you in the next episode. Ciao.